How to use Apple Music for artists. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel App Guide. In today's video, we're going to be learning on how we can use Apple Music for artists. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to use Apple Music for artists, first of all, you must go ahead and then have an access to your Apple Music for artists. To do so, open your browser and go to artists.apple.com. I'll make sure to drop a link in the description box below. From the top right hand side, click on the sign in button and make sure to sign in to your Apple ID or create one if you don't have it. Now to use it, you must first find your artist. Click on find an artist option and go ahead and then simply search for the artist that you want to claim. You will see a list of search results that you have there, and you will see if the artist is accepting new accesses. So if they are, you will be able to gain the new access, and after that you will be able to go ahead and then search and begin using Apple Music for artists. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.